I am Brenda Altraide, and if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel yet, please like this video and subscribe. So, in today's video, I want to show you guys how I'm going to be lifting this frontal on this wig from this dark color that you can see here to a closer shade to match the rest of it. So I've always wanted this shade of hair. I even tried to lift some wigs before to get the shade, but I didn't achieve that. So this is what I lifted this from a darker brown, this dark brown, I lifted it to this color about a year ago. I think this was my first attempt at dyeing hair or bleaching hair, and I had to do it 2 times to achieve what you can see here. Then there's this wig as well that I lifted from jet black. So I lifted this from jet black just because I wanted a different color, and it's a really old wig, so I didn't mind taking the risk. But then I got this is my final results. I didn't have to bleach this twice. I think I only bleached this once and I got this color. Then also I lifted the tips of this wig from natural to this color that you can see here. And but then all those other bleaching, I did them with the 40 volume developer. But what I'm going to use today is a 12% developer. I bought this off of Jumia and it came as a pair. It was really affordable, but I haven't used this before because I had a 40 volume developer, so that's what I used for the jobs. Anyway, I'm going to be using this today mostly because this hair feels fragile and it has been bleached before. I'm sure it looks like it has been bleached before. I don't want to cause any damage, any more damage or any damage at all, because it doesn't look damaged. You just know that it has been bleached. So I don't want to cause any damage to this hair, so I'm going to use a safer option developer, which is this 12%, because it doesn't react as fast as the 40 volume. So I'm going to be mixing this, and this is a blue bleaching powder from olive oil. So these are the 2 products that I'll be using. I have my mixing bowl, I have a hairbrush, I have a hair dye brush, I have this tail comb, and then I have plastic gloves. So I'm going to go ahead and mix these and get to it. On a normal day, I would bleach the knots because this is a new wig, but since I'm dyeing like the roots, I don't think that will be necessary. So I'll just go ahead and mix some products in so we can begin. Meanwhile, you guys, forgive my look, okay? I was coiling my hair when the power went out. This is an alternative supply. I have a lot of business things to do today, so I'm like, let me get to something else. That's why I look a mess. Forgive me. Let's begin. Okay guys, so before I forget, I did a patch test yesterday with this kit products just to see how this developer would react, and this is the result I got. This was a natural black, but this is the result I got after 3 hours. So I already know how long I'm going to let this sit for after I apply it. Let's get to the mixing. When you're mixing your bleaching powder, you want to get a creamy consistency. So you can just mix it. I'll be using this plastic fork instead.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny I got a crush on you, and that's true. on digging you.
This is what the mixture is looking like. Now, if you're bleaching your knots, this is the kind of consistency that you want, so it doesn't run through your base. Okay, but because I'm bleaching like the entire root, I think this is too quick, so I'm going to pour in more milk. And guys, the traffic outside is crazy, so if you hear the horns or the blurring or whatever, please just ignore. Help me to manage. This is Lagos.
I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a winding wheel, goes on and on and on. Give all day long.
So I'm going to start by sectioning the hair. I'm using my back facing camera for the first time, so I really hope you guys can see what I'm doing because I can't tell. Oh my god, so I have to get some hair clamps. I'll be right back. So I'm kind of letting the mix just sit for like 5 minutes or so before I start applying. So I'm going to start with this small section. So according to my research, I did a little research yesterday, and according to my research, blue bleaching powder reacts slower than the white ones. Guys, this is 11:07 a.m. and I'm already halfway through, and this dye is supposed to sit for at least 2 hours to get the desired color. So bleach rather than dye. So I'm going to start counting down 2 hours from now, 11:07. like a light ginger color on this side. You can see. So this is 11:18 now. I'm just going to leave this till 12 p.m. and see what it is. Hey guys, so this is how far we've come. This is 11:50 a.m. and it's been a little over 40 minutes since I started tracking the time, and this is what it's looking like right now. I covered it with a plastic bag and it started to sweat. I'm a little scared, but I want to give this the best chance, so I think I'll leave it for another 30 minutes. Hi guys, so it's 1 hour now since I applied this bleach, and I think I'm going to wash it off now because, to be honest, I'm scared. I don't want this hair to start breaking or to damage or anything like that. But as you can see, there's still some spots that are a bit darker than the rest of it, but I don't think I mind it. It might just look like low lights at the end of. Hey guys, so I washed the bleach out. I'm just making sure that I get rid of all the residue. I think I'm going to wash this off now. Then I'm going to go ahead and wash this wig with my conditioner and shampoo. I'm actually using a 2-in-1 product from Tresemme. It's a shampoo and conditioner in one, so that's what I'm going to be using. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush it out, and the only reason why I'm brushing this hair with the product on it is because it doubles as a shampoo and a conditioner. Normally I only brush my hair when there's with conditioner, not shampoo. Anyway, so I'm just massaging it in, making sure that it gets in through, especially the frontal, the part where I just bleached, getting all that goodness. So I'm just going to brush it out carefully from the tip to the roots, you know, to manage the shedding, because it was shedding but not in a crazy way. Like, it wasn't excessive shedding, but yes, it did shed. As you can see on the brush, it shed a little. So yeah, I'm just going to brush that out all through. Then I'm going to wash it off, and then I'm going to use a conditioner. So I'm just rinsing that off properly so I can go in with a conditioner. I think I've created something beautiful. I can't wait to see this hair dry. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my conditioner, and I'll be using this Extra Body with Collagen by 305. I like to be generous with conditioner because why not? Okay, so I'm going to rinse my brush off. I should have done this earlier. So this is all the shedding from the first wash. I'm going to brush this conditioner into the frontal, especially the frontal. So after applying the conditioner and brushing it out, I'm going to let that sit for about 30 minutes, then I'm going to wash it out. So guys, I've washed out the conditioner and this is what the hair looks like. The texture still feels soft and smooth, but I feel like I still want to treat this with the silicone wax, so I ordered some. There'll be a part 2 to this video to show you guys how I styled it and how it turned out, so look forward to that video. Thank you for watching.